Description: XFJ Tech Nano Mist Sprayer adopts advanced technology to generate nano-ionic cool mist, make the effective component penetrate into skin and deep hydrating without ruining makeup. Facial mister make you feel relaxing and cool on a hot day, and helps the skin stay hydrated in the winter. Enjoy professional skin spa care wherever and whenever. Features: 1. Multifunction. Mist sprayer with nanotechnology can penetrate deeply into the skin, disinfecting the face, removing any dirt, oil, and makeup residue. 2. Portable, compact and convenient design, it is suitable to place in your purse or pocket, etc. 3. Auto shut off, face sprayer will automatically power off in 60 seconds. 4. Easy to clean, removable mister water tank is washable. Please clean the water tank with a little alcohol when you wash it. 5. Good gift, it is the ideal gift for your mother, your wife, lover, girlfriend, female friends. Specification: color, white material, ABS tank capacity, 20 ml power, 185W charging type, USB charging time, 2 hours battery capacity, 550 mAh atomization quantity, 1.2 to 145 ml/minute. Note 1. Add water, purified water, mineral water is okay, it is not recommended to add other liquids, easy to plug, or you can add 1 to 2 drops, viscous oily liquid can't be added. 2. If there is wind interference during the spray, it will cause water droplets on the spray nozzle and the body. This is a normal phenomenon and can be wiped off. 3. If there is a blockage, warm water white vinegar ratio 3:1, pour into the tank for 40 minutes, then clean by water. Package included 1x mist sprayer, 1x USB cable, 1x manual. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will do our best to serve for you within 24 hours. Effectively moisturizing and refreshing, facial mister adopts ultra-high-speed vibration technology, split water into tiny nanometer particles to make the effective component penetrate into skin and deep hydrating without ruining makeup. 60s large and powerful fog, mini facial mister has 150,000 high-speed vibrations per second, which allows moisture to be ejected by ultra-micro-ions, quickly opening the skin's hydration channel, intensively replenishing water for skin. Portable and compact, handy mist sprayer has a stylish and smart appearance which is lightweight and small to carry in your pocket or bag, convenient for home, office, campus, beach, etc. Rechargeable and easy to use, facial steamer with USB rechargeable, can be used for about 7 to 8 times after fulling charge. Slid down the slip cover gently, facial mist sprayer will stop in 30 to 60 seconds automatically. SATIASFCTION guaranteed, 30 days free replacement. Please do not hesitate to contact us in the first time if there is any question. Our professional team will give you the best support and solutions. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.